And sure, owning a good repair manual is a lot better than having an owner's manual, but I wanted to show you these because I think that these are actually very beneficial for those classic Honda enthusiasts out there. Now, I'm not sure what Honda was thinking by organizing their electrical wiring diagrams in this way, but they really took away from the essence of Honda in a way that I feel they shouldn't have. Now, let me show you what I mean by that, because I think that you might agree. Do we even have owner's manuals anymore? To me, the most important thing that Honda shouldn't have changed is this right here. Dang. Okay, look at how nice that looks. So this is the old school Honda way of illustrating everything. So why are we doing this? And to be honest, the reason that I wanted to do this is I wanted to have this wiring diagram over my workbench. Wait, should we do a fancy montage? Yeah, let's do that. There you have it, guys, our final product. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you all for watching.